going on, guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how to rename a sheet in Excel. If you find this guide helpful, please consider liking and subscribing so others can see it too. At the bottom of your workbook, you'll see sheet tabs. They're usually named Sheet 1, Sheet 2, and so on. First, we're going to double click the sheet name and the text will now become editable. Now we're going to type the new name that you'd like to use. Once you finish typing your content, press enter and the sheet name will immediately update. Renaming sheets makes workbooks easier to organize. It also helps you find information more quickly. And that's how you can rename a sheet in Excel.